Well, hey folks, it's Amy from Colorado Mountain Living, and here we are again in a winter wonderland. So spring arrived and brought us almost 20 inches of snow here at our house. Look at my car, it's totally buried on the snow there. Yeah, we had a big storm come in yesterday, the night before, and gosh, it was just, you know, we'd gotten a few inches overnight, but it just piled up all the way, all day long. Luckily, Bryan was off of work, and he was able to sort of, you know, keep up with the plowing towards the end of the day. But, you know, we definitely got a wallop of a spring storm here. And I guess the good thing about it is that it's covering up the mud and the driveway, because it was, you know, the ground's not really frozen. It's starting to thaw now, and getting a lot of mud in the house from the driveway. So, so yeah, it's good to kind of get a little bit of a cover again, just so we can tamp down on the mud. But so I guess you could think of it as like another level of sort of staying self-quarantined, because with the plows didn't even come by at all yesterday. Didn't even make it down our road. So you know, over a foot of snow, and we were pretty much stuck at home for sure. And by the time Bryan left for work this morning, the plows hadn't come yet. So they had come a little bit later in the morning. But we're going to be having some warm temperatures, so that's going to be melting for sure. Yeah. You know, we've getting the announcements. Colorado is still pretty much clamping down on social activities. So we had all of our restaurants close for dine-in services, bars, ski resorts are closed, and now I think it's going to be salons, beauty parlors, massage, tattoo, anything, any kind of, I think all the non-essential types of businesses, it's they're looking at shutting those down. So we're keeping an eye on things over here, but definitely glad that I was able to stock up this past weekend. So we are set for food and supplies for a while now. But just trying to stay active in all of this, these exciting times. But kind of show you guys a little bit what things look like around here with all this snow. What are you doing, big ol' hanger? Yeah, you're running around in the snow. That what you're doing? That what you're doing? What are you doing? Oh boy, playing with the snow. What do we do in when we're sheltering in?
We eat hard fig Newtons.
Hard fig Newtons. And we have a hot chocolate, and
we can dunk it.
Okay.
Soften it back up.
Just like a scone. Yeah, delicious. Okay. Oh, working on your. So what are you gonna do? Do you need tracing paper, carbon paper?
I'm just making an impression in the wood.
Oh, because I've got carbon paper.
Oh.
Tracing paper.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have rolls of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Maybe that'd be better.
Yeah.
Easier. Then go like that.
Right.
Oh, you can see it. But the tracing paper would be awesome. I wouldn't push so hard.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have to find that.
Transfer paper for precision tracing on any surface. So Bryan's got his designs, and now it's time to transfer them to the wood. 2 packages? Cookies?
Package and a half, thank you. I had to eat your leftovers.
Oh.
Yep.
See, it's graphite on one side.
Oh. Cool.
So it goes face down.
Yep.
You need tape for the graphite paper.
Look at that.
Ah.
It's perfect.
Perfect. So like writing with a pencil.
I know.
Who knew we had
this? Magic pencil. It goes right through it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's awesome.
Who knew we had this awesome paper?
No, you did apparently.
Yep. How's your scene coming?
Good. Grouping some stuff together.
Oh. Here's a little preview of Bryan's wood burning project. This is going to be the header that goes over the door frames for the closets in the toilet. So he sketched out a little scene here and started working on the wood burning. So that's going to be real nice, I think, once he finishes that up. You're in your outdoor workshop.
Yeah. The last one I need to plane here.
Oh. So finish planing down
This top surface, so when they stick them when they take it to the mill, they can take that surface down and it'll be flat.
Oh, okay.
And then when they cut, they can start on the bottom.
Okay. Just prepping all the treads because they are going to being shipped off tomorrow to the lumber mill. They're going to slice them in half for us, so we'll have double the treads. He's just prepping the surface so he has like a downside that they can put on the lumber mill directly. There you go. How can you make a bed in the snow? Seriously?
This one I wasn't going to use because it was very rounded on the bottom. There wasn't a flat spot, so
oh yeah,
you could at least get one out of it.
Yeah. Cool. Yep, we're getting some compacting of the snow here with the sun out. So our 18 inches or whatever we got a couple days ago is definitely condensing. Are you trying to make a bed in the snow? What in the world?
I got logs all over his bed, so.
It doesn't look very cozy.
Here you go.
Here you go, get out of the way. Go lie down somewhere else. Mm-hmm. And we got the rest of the trim here ready to go in. This is going to go in the loft and, well, a few more spots, the closets and things. And what else are we doing this weekend? Those are the finished ones, but these are going to get sliced in half as well. Let's see, we've got some new, we got Bryan's trainer. This is our new workout. Here's my power bench right here. Couple 15-pound dumbbells. My bike's getting worked on. Something was wrong with the shifter, but I was set up with my own little trainer. Been trying out Bryan's trainer, so we're adjusting to life without the gym. Of course, we got the big outdoor gym out there, and been spending some time with Vigo going snowshoeing. Lots of snow, lots of good workouts in the snow. Hey, there's our toilet paper stash, guys. Don't be coming trying to rob us of our toilet paper. We got, well, looks like about 3 or 4 packages there. So, about halfway through our Costco toilet paper stash. Maybe we might need to stock up and get some more before they shut us down. We're not really sure about the state of Colorado and if they're going to be. Hey, Toonsis, why are you trying to get in my video? Jeez. Some of you guys don't really know the cat, but she's almost 15 years old, and she doesn't really get along with the dog a whole lot, so she's kind of over him, you know. She's just kind of a little bit beyond playing with a dog at this point, so she just likes to hang around mostly in the loft, but she'll come downstairs and to her litter box and her food and, well, do her own little thing. Well, folks, that's the update from us this weekend. Just trying to stay busy with projects. Of course, we've always got plenty of projects. We don't run out of things to do around the house. So basically the main things, Bryan's bringing all of the treads to the lumber mill tomorrow. So hopefully we'll get all those split up and then he can finish prepping all of those. They're also going to take the log that he and Lance got from the woods. So they're going to pare those down into spacers for the stairs as well. So we'll have all of our components for building the stairs. He might still need maybe another, we'll see how short we are on treads after he sort of calculates what we have usable for the treads that we have. Anyway, so that's the big project for tomorrow. And just working on cooking some recipes and getting some food prepped for this week. We are anticipating that Colorado might enhance their home quarantines right now. Just a lot of businesses are closed and they're canceling non-essential surgeries and medical procedures. So they haven't really shut down stores yet. So we're just wondering if that might be the next thing that comes, because we seem to be following some of the other states that are kind of going through this. So we're not really sure what to expect if we're going to be really stay at home, no place to go. Still, what's allowed is that we still are able to get out into the forest and the trails as long as we're not congregating with other people. So they've only shut down the Rocky Mountain National Park up in Estes Park. So that's only been the biggest closure. But that one drew a lot of people and people were hanging out there in big groups. So I could see why they closed that one down. But we have tons of national parks and I could see that those not being shut down and just to have a place for people to go outside. So we'll be getting outside plenty, but it just won't be going anywhere in particular. Just staying in our neighborhood probably. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys, and we're glad to have you and kind of share what's going on in our corner of the world. But we will keep you posted on the next video.